This is Clione, a TWAP order executions that provide a traditional TWAP order executions interface and an advanced TWAP order execution that use VWAP indicator to decide the volume size of each order inside the TWAP order. So as you can see, we have the chart pulled directly from Hyperliquid, which is then use WebSocket to update on real time. Due to this being a pioneer app, we haven't setting up a database or a backend server at all. Everything is executed on front end, and the entire source code is completely published. There's some documentations that showing what the formula for the indicator, the formula for the algorithm of how we calculate the size and how we executing the order. There's also the status of this project. Project still working on it. We still update frequently to the projects, and so we have a simulations page for you to see the algorithm in actions without spending any asset at all. This simulations using the mainnet data, since the testnet data is a bit well, not really represent the real market, since, well, it does represent the real market, but the market in testnet, which not really represent the real market at all. And however, we can change this because the entire market needs to base on the order book. So obviously we have supporting on mainnet, but again, in TWAP order usually come in very large size, and not many people can gather much testnet token to be able to perform the order at all. So that's why I provide a mainnet simulations to see the entire VWAP, the entire TWAP, the advanced TWAP order executions for you to see, to perform the TWAP, to see their performance. Obviously, is to not spending your asset at all. Consider like do your own research before. So yeah, it's a interface and providing an advanced TWAP order execution. Due to the current UI messing up some of the feature from the applications, this is the application state where all of the features are working. Let's first connect our wallet. Alright, we can see the status of the wallet on Hyperliquid. As I mentioned before, the simulations will allow you to see the market in mainnet pulled directly from the order book. Since we have access to the order book, this is also have slippage control, any configuration that we can adjust really. So let's try and trade Hype. Yeah, let's buy 1,000 Hype with 2-second interval, maybe 3-second interval, and so this is average of 100. Okay, this is Hype chart, and as you can see on the sole of the order books is 200, sometime below that, and each of our order is 100. So we are expecting some slippage, and we control them with 2%. So if it's higher than 2%, this will automatically calculate. So the slippage is maximum of 2%. So the volume is not only adjusted based on VWAP, it's also adjusted on the slippage by reading the order book. All right, let's start the simulations. As you can see that the current state of the price is above the VWAP. This indicates that we are trading for higher than the current trading volume, and so the multiplier reduce that. All the formula, as I mentioned, is declared on the documentations, and here you can see there's some slippage here. Obviously, this is just a simulation, so our order didn't affect the market. In reality, this will affect the market, and hence it will. We will be part of the algorithm. We will be part of this, and so we execute to buy this. With the average market price lower than what it's supposed to be, if we execute them, it will execute the entire TWAP regularly with all same volume. It will result in higher. This is a small small differences because the current market is not really that volatile. Also, the TWAP is calculated based on the time frame. So 1 hour TWAP would be different to 15-minute TWAP. We take multiple different input, and so this currently stick to HLC3, which is a basic typical price calculations. We can add more input source like open close, something like that. Obviously, this is in development currently, and so yeah, in volatile market, let's say we are buying, and if we are buying below the VWAP, we will get the prices lower than what people are trading at. So this multiplier would then be increased. Alright, since we don't have much asset on the mainnet, we'll be performing the trading on the testnet. I'll be trading per spot on buy. Let's make it super volatile. I'm going to do the alpha S5 to understand all these indicators. You can reference them in the documentations and explain the indicator. Obviously, it's advanced. People can choose their TWAP styles if they want the volume to be more aggressive toward the VWAP indicator or more steady. It's completely based on their choices. And so, right, let's just get started on trading. Let's authorize our agent to be able to trade. Alright, so this is our agent, D5FC. Let's check that on Hyperliquid. There we go, Clione agent, D5FC. This agent is now can trade on our behalf. Our TWAP, our VWAP will be 1 hour time frame, anchoring on 1 hour, and let's start on the trade. Ooh, insufficient spot balance. Hold on. My balance is in perp. My bad. I'm gonna transfer all of them to spot real quick. There we go. And let's start trading again. There we go. The order is winning through. Let's check on Hyperliquid. And oh, this is Hype. And checks on per. We are buying per spot. This is probably the UI error. The buy order didn't win through, but you can see the per asset is increasing. The per asset is increasing, and our trading, our algorithm is currently working. It's buying the per based on the volume of the per is based on our algorithm that we're cleaning up. But yeah, the UI from Hyperliquid didn't show that. All right. It's still buying 21 order, but I believe that is enough to showcasing the Clione tool that I am working on. Alright, that will be wrapping up the Clione, the TWAP order executions that provide a VWAP hawk indicator that help you to get better entry in the market over a period of time. Thank you for watching.